In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn off Gmail autofill, also known as Smart Compose, on your desktop computer. First, let's open Gmail. You can do this by navigating to your browser and typing in mail.google.com, or simply opening your webmail application if it's saved as a bookmark or home screen shortcut. Once your inbox is loaded, direct your attention to the top right corner of the screen where you'll find the familiar gear icon. That's your settings button. Go ahead and click on that. Now you will notice at the very top of the drop-down, there's an option that says See All Settings. Click on this option and you will be taken to what's essentially the control center for your Gmail settings. You're now in the General tab, which is where we want to be. This tab contains a variety of options that customize how your Gmail operates, and today, our primary focus is turning off the Smart Compose feature. Scroll through the settings until you strike upon Smart Compose. It's typically nestled in amongst related mail settings. Smart Compose is Gmail's tool designed to make writing your emails quicker by predicting what you might want to say next. However, if you find these suggestions more distracting than helpful, you're in the right place to disable them. Once you're at the Smart Compose section, there's an option to select Writing Suggestions Off. Clicking this option will effectively turn off those predictive text suggestions. But that's not all. As you might have noticed, just below, there is an additional layer of customization called Smart Compose Personalization. Gmail uses your past emails to make suggestions more relevant to your style. If privacy or maintaining your own unique emailing personality matters to you, you might want to consider switching this personalization option off as well. Simply select Off here to prevent any style-based suggestions. Having made your preferred adjustments, don't forget the crucial step of scrolling down to the very bottom of the settings page. There, you'll find the Save Changes button. It's easy to overlook, but clicking this is imperative to ensure all the changes you made are applied, and there you have it. You've successfully navigated through Gmail settings to turn off Smart Compose and take back full control of your emailing experience. Emailing should be personal and free from any distractions, and you now have a cleaner slate to compose messages purely from your own thoughts. Thank you for spending your time with us today. We hope this guide has been clear and beneficial. If you have further questions or need additional tutorials, feel free to check out our other videos.